Hi everybody, welcome to June. The video you're about to watch, a few seconds of our robot procedure in action. This will kind of show you why I prefer the ARTAS robot for doing follicular unit excision procedures over any other instrument, including the NeoGraft, which I still use for smaller cases, and the other handheld devices. You'll notice that these grafts come out so nicely, so efficiently. The robot is so efficient in calculating the correct angle, the correct depth. It takes the part of any human error away from the harvesting of your precious grafts. So if you're considering doing FUE, go with a robot. Keep in mind, our strip procedure is still a state-of-the-art, no matter what you read on the internet or what you hear at consultations where they only do procedures with automated equipment. The strip is still state-of-the-art, still gives us the best grafts, which compare with the robot grafts. So I recommend one or the other. If you're going to wear your hair short, or if you want less of an invasive procedure, go with the robot. If you don't care about having a little linear scar in the back under the hair, then you can go with a strip. The take-home message is the result will be just as good in the right hands and in the right physician. So have a great month. Call us if you have any questions. Take care. Thank you.